Welcome, today I'm with FAIRPHONE 3 and I'll show you how to install an iPhone keyboard on this device. First of all, go to Play Store, tap on Search Pool and tap here the green Apple keyboard. Green Apple keyboard, like that. And now we have to get this application. So tap to install. We'll wait a couple of seconds. And it's installed. So just tap to open, enable these settings and switch on. OK, go to OK. Now go back and switch input methods, add, and just choose the English US. Now, for example, we'll go to messages, for example, conversation with Anna and text message, and now you can see that's really close to iPhone keyboards. So, if you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.